Welcome to this SVG course. In this course, you will learn how to create text SVG files in the Inkscape software. You will also learn how to zip them and list them in your Etsy shop and on your Shopify website. I have separated them in short videos for you to digest easily. So welcome to this course. Take this course and create SVG files for your Etsy shop. Welcome. The software we're going to create those SVG files in is Inkscape. This is a free software. You can go to inkscape.org. Okay, inkscape.org. Let me go in here. Inkscape.org. And then you will go to the download section. Like if you click here, free download. Okay. And then you will get this. You have been directed automatically to the best download. To see all available downloads, please go to all platforms. And then you click on all platforms. Okay. Come on now, all platforms. Okay, and then you come in here. And here you see for Linux, for Windows, for Mac, and other things. And then you see here all the for all the platforms, you see the different versions. The different version. I started Inkscape using Inkscape with 0.92 2017. I think I'm using this one or 2021 of these two. Yeah. And you can download the version you want. Don't go here, don't go down here. Download you can go from 2092 up to here. Maybe you can choose the 222 also. It's up to you. Oh, they have three already. Yeah, one. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, download it. I think I'm going to upgrade mine too. Yeah, and you download it into your computer and then you install it. You install it into your computer, and then you will let it run, and then you open it. You will get the thumbnail down here, and you pin it. And every time you want to go into the program, you can click on here and it will open. Here are the open tabs that I have, and it will open. So go and download it. Go to inkscape.org. Here is safe. Okay, like I told you, I came here, I went on all platforms. I went to Windows, and I'm doing 64-bit. So I clicked on here and then I downloaded Inkscape. It's right here. Okay, now I'll go to my in here and I'm going to install it. Let's see how this thing will go. Okay, it's installing. I'll click on next. Next, ready to install Inkscape? Yes. I'm installing it and it's coming in. Okay, it's asking if I want to install Inkscape. I say yes. So it's working. Okay, we are almost there. Okay, let's finish. And I had this here of the old one. So I'm going to click on it to open it. Come on now, Inkscape. I'm waiting for it to open. Okay. What is this? Okay. So this is the new Inkscape. And this is where we're going to stay tuned for the other video.